Let's unbox a pair of McIntosh ML1 speakers. Step 1. Let's start with removing the stand from its box. We are not attaching our spikes, but you will find them in the pieces of foam holding the stand in place in the box. Now remove the stand from its last few pieces of inner packaging. Now for the speaker. First, open the box safely and then flip the speaker 180 degrees onto its head. You can now safely remove the box and any other packaging material and flip the speaker back upright. And once you've removed the grill from its packaging, you can now attach it safely to the speaker. Now you're ready to enjoy your brand new pair of McIntosh ML1s.